In this video, we are going to backtest one of the best crypto strategies available on YouTube at the moment 100 times. This strategy combines one of the most popular trading indicator with basic and advanced price action rules, leading to an insane performance. More precisely, we will backtest our own strategy known as this crazy Heikin-Ashi strategy will make you rich, and let's see how much money we can actually make by using it. Moreover, you can use this insane scalping strategy for different asset classes, including Forex, crypto, options, or stocks. During this video, we also will show you how you can get access to our top-notch private indicator, known as quantAlgo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you can keep up to date with new content releases. So, let's discuss our trading rules. First of all, let's switch our candlesticks from regular to Heikin-Ashi. Then, let's add the needed indicator to our chart, which is known as the Relative Strength Index. Go to the Indicators tab, type RSI, and choose the first point from the list. All settings should remain unchanged. With that, we should wait for the RSI to be oversold or overbought, which will act for us as an early trigger event. However, the RSI oversold or overbought conditions do not mean 100% trend reversal. For this reason, we should look for the RSI to be oversold or overbought right at key support or resistance levels established on the higher time frames. In this particular case, we will set key effective support and resistance using concepts covered in the Quant Capital education on the 1-hour time frame. However, if you want to get fewer signals with more accuracy, feel free to establish key levels on the 2-hour or even 4-hour time frame. Moreover, you can also set some additional levels on the lower time frame as well as adjust higher time frame levels. Finally, the last step. We need to confirm our previously established setups through the Heikin-Ashi price action. In a bullish case, we should wait for 2 Heikin-Ashi candles in a row with no wicks along the bottom. More importantly, the body of the second candle should be bigger than the body of the previous candle. This implies a clear momentum gain from a price action standpoint and significantly increases our chances to get a winning trade. Exactly the opposite is true for the bearish case. We should spot 2 Heikin-Ashi candles without wicks along the top and the body of the second candle should be greater to confirm an increasing bearish momentum. When it comes to risk management, stop loss should be placed above or below the recent swing high or swing low. In terms of profit target, we should close half position and move stop loss to the break even when the price hit 1-to-1 risk to reward. We should close the rest position once the price reaches 2-for-1 risk to reward. Putting it all together, for the long trade, for example, we should wait for the price to hit the support level or at least be close to the support, and also the RSI should be oversold as can be seen on the chart. Then, we need to wait for 2 Heikin-Ashi candles without wicks along the bottom and the second candle's body should be bigger. We enter the trade on the follow-up candle, placing our stop loss below the previous low, and initially targeting 1-for-1 risk to reward. Then, we close half position, move stop loss to the break even and target 2-for-1. As you can see, our second target was hit as well. When it comes to the trade short, the price should approach a resistance level, and the RSI should be overbought. Then, we need to wait for the Heikin-Ashi momentum gain and here it is. As you can see, we have 2 candles with no wicks along the top and the body of the second candle is bigger. So, we enter the trade on the follow-up candle, placing our stop loss above the previous high and initially targeting 1-for-1 risk to reward. As you can see, our first target was reached, which means that we close half position and move stop loss to break even. Then, we need to target 2-for-1 risk to reward and boom, our take profit was smashed. Another key point right here is that the Heikin-Ashi confirmation should occur until the 50 RSI level. Alternatively, if the confirmation for the trade long occurs when the RSI is overbought, this trade should be avoided. Exactly the opposite is true for shorts. Also, we should avoid any signals that come within the range between 2 effective support and resistance levels. and it's obvious that we should avoid long trades near the resistance and short trades near the support. As you can see, for instance, right here we got too late confirmation for the long trade, which occurred right near the resistance, so we are even unable to target 1-for-1 risk to reward. As a result, it is a low probability trade and the price then tanked down. Once again, remember, we take the trade long only at key support and short at key resistance. With that being said, let's actually test this strategy 100 times on Bitcoin, a 5-minute time frame, and discuss the results. For backtesting purposes, we're going to use software from TraderEdge, since it is one of the most efficient backtesting tools available on the market right now. You can also find a link to it in the description. So, let's set our initial equity size at 1000. As we said, we will target 2% while risking 1%. Also, in case of our second part is closed at break-even, it results in a trade with a 0.5 risk to reward, so that we will make adjustments accordingly. But before we continue, we want to recommend to you our trusted crypto-based trading platform, known as PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT offers multiple products combined in a single account. For instance, if you're an active trader, you can trade crypto, indices, commodities, and Forex with up to X1000 leverage, thus maximizing your profit. All you need to do is go to the Wallets tab, click on Deposit, and deposit funds with your preferred payment method. But what's more interesting is that the PrimeXBT grants you an opportunity to earn a passive income in 2 ways. For those who are not able to or do not want to trade personally, copy trading is one of the best solutions. Open the copy trading tab and choose the traders with the best performance or best rating. Finally, if you're looking for more conservative returns with lesser risk, feel free to earn passive income by staking cryptocurrencies into FI yield. Backtest, and before we start interpreting the results, we want to emphasize that the key component of success here is how well you set key support and resistance levels. As we said, we used concepts covered in quant education for that. If you're new to trading, you may set some irrelevant levels that will be ignored by the price, leading to more losses, but, even with that, you will be able to consistently grow your account. So, what can we see right here? After 100 trades, our win rate stood at 83%, which is actually an insanely high figure for the 5-minute time frame. Also, our account grew by 227.35%, which is just insane. For example, If you start with $1,000 initial equity, your account size will increase to roughly $3,300 after 100 trades. When it comes to the profit factor, it came in at 6.71. Again, this figure is also very good, telling us about a highly profitable system. And let's also check some more stats. As you can see, we have 18 consecutive wins, which is really crazy, against just 2 consecutive losses. Also, the win rate can be even higher on the higher time frames or considering only higher time frame levels. If you like this new format and want to see more backtesting videos, let us know in the comments below. We always appreciate your feedback. Thanks for your time and I'll see you in the next video.